Alrighty then, how to remove apps and or extensions in a fantastic Chromebook by request. Move your mouse cursor to the left there at the bottom. Click that and this will bring up the apps that I have installed in this specific Chromebook. So in this case, let's say I wanted to install or uninstall the Cog System Viewer. Move the cursor to the app, highlight it, double tap on the mouse keypad on your Chromebook. And you can see in the middle there, you click that to uninstall this particular application. It really is this simple and fast. Like I said, Chromebooks are terrific. All right, what about extensions in the Chrome browser? Well, let's bring up the Chrome browser. And we'll go to the top right, click the three circles there. You want to go down to Settings. And from here, we're going to click Extensions there on the left, and these are the extensions that I have installed. As you can see, not too many. And to uninstall or remove an extension, yep, you could probably guess, all you have to do is click remove to remove that particular extension. I mean, it's that easy. All right, that's all I have for this one. Try a Chromebook if you haven't already. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Chromebooks are probably your best affordable alternative to Windows. They're Linux powered, never get a virus, maintenance free. They are terrific. Check out a Chromebook. Take care.